Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we going to know the colors name. Green color, purple color, pink color, orange color, chocolate color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: star, square, triangle, hexagon, heart and circle. First we are going to draw the shapes. Star, square, triangle, hexagon, heart, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Orange color, star, next purple color, square, next pink color, triangle, next chocolate color, hexagon, next red color, heart, next green color, circle, what we learn? We learn orange color, star, purple color, square, pink color, triangle, chocolate color, hexagon, red color, heart, green color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.